Good morning, my friends. I hope that you are ready to get up and motivated today. I'm sharing an after Christmas clean and undecorate with me here in 2022. Holy cats, I cannot even believe it. Can you tell I am very excited? Anyway, we are starting off here in the living room and we are taking down the Christmas tree. We're getting right on into it. This video is short but mighty. It is packed full of cleaning motivation, so make sure that you stay tuned and watch to the very end. I'm also going to be sharing a baking soda hack with you guys later.
We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall, and every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
So a little bit of a disclaimer here. I'm not really sure why the lighting was like so bright in today's video. It must have been a really sunny day, and unfortunately I didn't know when I was recording as I didn't look over the footage. So it does get better, I promise. We ended up filming on more than one day in this video, so yeah, just stay tuned and try and bear with me, but I just wanted to let you know that. Also, I'm wearing, I feel like 100 layers today. So I have like a pair of funky leggings on underneath my black pants. I have a white shirt on. So no, you're not getting a show. It is just literally like extra clothes. So just thought I'd let you guys know in case some of you were thinking otherwise.
Every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
All right, guys, we are moving on from the Christmas tree and undecorating the mantle here, and then we're gonna go ahead and get everything cleaned up. I gave you a little overview there of the pine needles. That is one of the only downfalls of having a real tree. However, in my opinion, I think it is totally worth it. Let me know down below when you are doing your undecorating here, if you have already done it, maybe you're just kind of starting. I know a lot of people do wait until after the new year. However, I like to take Christmas down like literally Boxing Day or the following day. I've always done that, and it's probably because I do sit up very early.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me.
So don't worry, I am going to vacuum, but I wanted to go ahead and just sweep some of these pine needles as they were out of control, and I just didn't want all of that in my vacuum. So if you're wondering why I'm sweeping and then I'm gonna vacuum after, I just wanted to kind of let you guys know that that was why.
You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner of the day. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You showed me how to spread my wings. Yes, I'm the winner.
As you can see, I'm just making my way through our living room. Again, taking all of the Christmas decor down and then wiping all of the surfaces. So I do keep all of our Christmas decor in these big Rubbermaids, and I actually needed a new one for this year, which was pretty exciting. Even though I feel like I didn't really buy a lot of Christmas decor, but slowly building up my collection, and I just can't wait until we do purchase a home and then I can start decorating that. But I am using just a microfiber cloth on these brown tables here, as you can't use any product on them. They are like very, very delicate. And then I am going ahead and using my Method wood cleaner and the almond scent all over the rest of the living room.
The trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet, cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined. I can't go on. I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit of you and I combine to make things right. I know you see me through, baby. I just want you badly now. Everything I feel is shown. There's nowhere I can hide. I can see myself falling, crashing down. I'm 99.5 of all the love that we've got. I'm 99.5.
I have gotten a few comments recently about where our dog is when I'm filming, and it's kind of really funny because you might have noticed we did rearrange our living room, and here she is. She's so sweet, you guys. She is usually beside me when I'm filming or downstairs where my husband usually is, but you saw her a lot in today's video, but I just wanted to kind of share that little view of her. Just with the way our living room is arranged now, I just feel like it's harder to get different camera angles. I'm still not sure how I feel about it, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, it is now a different day. We are moving on into the playroom. It was so bad and needed to be tackled, so we're gonna go ahead and quickly tidy up before I share this baking soda hack with you guys. You're gonna be there all the way. Even out the odds, it's not rational, baby. In the wrinkles of your palms lies my destiny. I don't have a choice. Just a little bit of you and I go run to make things right. I know you see me through, baby. I just want you, baby, now. Alright, so this baking soda hack, all you do is you sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over your carpet. This actually works wonders if you have stains in your carpet. I went ahead and did both the playroom and our daughter's bedroom. They share a room if you are new here, but I wanted to go ahead and get both of them because our dog lays all over the carpets, and I think our daughter is like becoming allergic to her as we've been potty training, so she hasn't been wearing any pants. And she's getting rashes all over her legs from like rolling around on the carpets and stuff. So I wanted to use this baking soda to really help. It helps to lift like everything out of the carpet, and it also helps deodorize it and all of that fun stuff. So I thought that it would definitely help her a little bit when it came to the rashes and stuff that she was experiencing. And on top of that, there's no harmful chemicals in it. So I just really thought it would work, and I am very happy with the results. You can leave this on for like literally overnight if you want. You can like damp it with water to really get a stain out. However, I let it sit for about an hour, and then I went ahead and vacuumed it up after.
Longing for you, oh, but I can't get back. What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back.
Thank you so much for being here with me today and watching along with me. I hope that it got you guys up and motivated to clean along with me. If this gave you cleaning motivation and you haven't already, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel as a small creator, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I know you want the best for me. Your intentions are good. I walk back to my history, into my old neighborhood.